one question I get a lot is how to fix nail pops. As you can see right here, we have a pretty decent sized nail pop. Now how you fix it is you take the back of your mud knife here, or you can take a hammer, you can pound it in, just kind of rub it, push it off until you can see the screw there. Now that's exposed. There's a couple more here. You remember to get it so it's indented. You don't want anything sticking out. So if you do need a sand, or just kind of rub your knife over it, then you're going to want to get your mud out. Take a decent sized little bit there. And this will shrink a little bit, so I like to go a little bit thicker over these. You can always sand. And then there we go. We let it dry, come back, sand it, and it's ready for paint.